Welcome to Verge Network Solutions. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to log in and out as a call center agent using both the Verge phone app and the Qmetrics portal. To get started, open your Verge phone app and tap the speed dial section. To log in or out of the call queue you're assigned to, select the Login Out Speed Dial key. You'll receive an immediate confirmation letting you know your status has been updated. If you're ever unsure of your status, check the Agent Status Indicator. Red or on means you're logged in. Blue or off means you're logged out. To log in using Qmetrics, start by selecting the bottom left menu button inside your Verge phone app. Then click Qmetrics. When the Qmetrics portal opens, log in using your assigned username and password. To begin taking calls, click the Start Work button. You may see a short processing delay as the system connects and redirects you to your queue page. When your shift is over, simply select End Work to log out. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. For more support resources, visit us anytime at vergenetwork.com or contact the Verge support team.